Good morning, this is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, February 3rd. January is over, and most of the indicators from January are positive for the rest of the year. That's the first 5 days of January and the month of January, basically those two. We're also in a small seasonal bullish pattern right now. Well, that's been interrupted by the government announcing tariffs, but we'll see. There's still a day and a half to go on that one. So these tariffs have knocked the market down a little bit, but in reality, most of our indicators are still mixed. It's going to be important today and tomorrow what the market does in terms of signals from our indicators. So S&P is still within that trading range. It fell back from 6,100 a couple of times now, so that's resistance. Previously had bounced off of an area between 57.70 and 58.60, so that's support. And in between, it's been volatile, so that's still the case right now. And it's I guess you could say a neutral market, although it moves quite a bit within that range. The equity-only put-call ratios are heading lower again, so technically that puts them on a buy signal. We'll see how the next 2 days play out. If there's heavy put buying here in the next 2 days, then that indicator might flip back to the bearish side. Brent is also already lean bearish. It was very negative on Friday when the rumors of the tariffs were first announced, or not rumors really, but the announcement that they were going to go into effect over the weekend. And the market fell back, and Brent was terrible. So if Brent is bad again today, that will generate sell signals from our Brent oscillators. New highs versus new lows, though, that's still bullish. Even after Friday's action, new highs were still in the lead, and it would take at least 2 days to reverse that. So today and tomorrow, again, important for that indicator. One indicator that has not shown much worry is VIX. VIX is up just a little on Friday and again this morning, and it really isn't panicking, let's say. So the last couple of times we saw the market sell off sharply, we saw VIX spike heavily to the upside. This time it didn't even get to 20, or at least not yet. And so that's a positive sign for stocks. Also, the construct of volatility derivatives, which is the futures on VIX essentially, and the indices on VIX, that's also still showing a positive tint, or at least to the market right now. So overall, we're not really seeing sell signals coming in mass. We may. Right now, Brent is the one that's closest to actually generating a confirmed sell signal. But again, we need to see negative Brent today in order for that to be the case. So overall, we're keeping a close eye on these things. We are having a webinar next weekend to discuss some longer-term indicators, maybe make some projections for 2025, and to review the indicators that we already have, because this is certainly a very important period of time. So that webinar is free to subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, you can take one of our trial subscriptions. I invite you to go to our website and take a look at those, and then hopefully we'll see you there at the webinar. Meanwhile, have a great week trading.